Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can track a price for a particular product on Amazon. If you don't know, the prices may fluctuate sometimes. Now, if you want to purchase something very costly, and if you want to track the price, you can do easily using a third-party website. Just simply open any browser on your window or over any browser over any platform and write camel three times. Okay, camel camel camel. This is a website that can track the prices for any product on Amazon. Just simply open it. Once you open it, you're gonna see this page. It provides an extension, so you can use it as well. You don't need to sign in for here. Just simply search for any product. For example, if I search any product over here, once I do that, the list of the product have been right in front of me. Here you can see the price for this particular product have been tracked. Right here you can see the graph of which where it rises and where it falls. So by this method you can check easily the track easily the price of any product. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.